It definitely doesn't get wings. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, put a lot of Red Bull in the gas tank and it's now dead. But who knows, maybe by a miracle, Christmas miracle, we could get it to start up. I mean, I gotta check it at least before I get like a tow truck over here. Oh wow, it's like the battery's dead now too. What's up with that? It won't even turn over. So I don't know what that's about, because I haven't had a battery problem at all, and I doubt that I left something on in the truck. So anyhow, it's even more dead now than it was after putting Red Bull in the gas tank. Well, just like that, it's 24 hours later, winter happened, we're in the same parking spot. We're gonna tow the Danger Ranger to Moon Township Ford, and once again, we're gonna try to fix this thing so we can keep making fun content. The plan is, of course, to flush the fuel system, do whatever we need to do so this thing can start back up. And like in the previous clip, it won't crank whatsoever. Like, the battery is dead now as well, but look at that. Fuel gauge has gone up to half after putting Red Bull in the gas tank. I think if we just flush it, maybe in a fuel pump or something, it's just gonna fire back up. We can keep having fun. No one stole my empty Red Bull cans. That's a good thing. And this is Dustin. When he pulled up here, he recognized the truck right away because he saw the Red Bull video on Facebook. You saw the video on Facebook? Well, no more Red Bull in the gas tank. We're gonna try to, again, flush it and put fuel in there, and hopefully she starts back up. Okay, well, once again, we've dropped the Danger Ranger off. So since Brian doesn't work here anymore, it's gonna be the same guy that worked on the truck last time when the clutch popped and the transmission and all that stuff. And that's Alex. He won't be able to do it until a few days from now. You guys will be able to see it in the same video. Of course, I gotta wait, so yeah. But that's a perfect segue. Since you guys have to wait at least a second or two, why don't you check out shop.autovlog.com. It's crappy weather outside. Winter is coming. It's definitely here already. We have restocked on hoodies. We have sweatpants, all that good stuff that you need for cold weather. So check it out, shopautovlog.com. Well, we're moving quickly in today's video. It's 2 days later. We're back at Moon Township Ford, and there's the Ranger. And the reason we're back is because the truck is back up and running. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna talk to Alex, who fixed it once again. We'll see exactly what he had to do to fix it. And then we're of course gonna take it for a ride. You can't tell though. That doesn't look like fuel. No. It looks like Red Bull. Yeah. So you emptied the fuel tank, yeah, and this is what came out. Correct, correct. And this was at the bottom of the fuel tank because Red Bull is lighter than fuel, correct? Heavier. Heavier.
So yeah, you can see on top, the top layer is the gasoline. Yeah. What's underneath that is Red Bull and whatever else you put in.
So you were able to start the truck back up again?
Yep.
Is that all you did? We didn't need like a new fuel pump or a fuel system or anything like that? This truck is a beast. It can take anything. Give me the keys, we're gonna go out and start it. I wanna see it for myself. It's better audio out here too, because there's a compressor running constantly in there. So that's all you had to do?
Yep. When I was pumping it out, wherever was coming out of that fuel line was like thick. Straight sugar.
I brought fuel, by the way, so I have it in the trunk of the AMG here. There can't be a lot of fuel in the truck because it was pretty much empty before I put all the Red Bull in there. I think there's more vodka than there is fuel. Moment of truth. Was it yet last night you started it?
Yeah.
All right. All right, baby, come on. Oh. You have a jumper box or?
Yeah, I have one.
All right. All right, so we're hooked up with the battery. Yeah! No, don't die on me. All right, we need to get some fuel in this thing ASAP. Dude, the whole thing is like shaking. Oh no, no, no! It's running out of gas. That's gotta be what it is. Hey, Mike.
What's up, Mike?
Yeah, it was running perfect last night. I bet some more stuff's out for the bottom of the tank.
Probably.
Or it's out of gas.
It might have a miss.
Yeah, but now it's idling normally, I think. See, it wants to die. All right, now it's staying at like 1100. Yeah. So it was basically just lack of fuel. Look at that, the unbeatable 1994 Ford Ranger. 161,000 miles. It's taken vodka, 2 swords, going in reverse while driving, going in first gear, doing 65 miles an hour, Red Bull in the gas tank, minor little fixes, and it's back up. All right, Mike's first ride in the Ranger. 134 horsepower, Mike. Dude, this thing is freaking unbreakable.
It definitely needs an oh shit handle.
Oh! You gotta put some respect on the peel out.
When y'all saying my name, put some respect on it.
And it had a chirp in the second.
Oh yeah, I know.
Put some respect on it.
If this wasn't uphill, it'd chirp in third. Oh, almost. Oh no, don't say it's running out of fuel. Yeah, we gotta get more fuel in there. Damn it. So the parking brake's not working.
Turn it and push it against the back. Turn the wheel to the, and put the back end up against the, the guardrail. Here.
There we go.
There we go. Perfect parking brake.
All right, so we got some gas in the truck. We know that it's running just fine, which brings me to a predicament of the next experiment that we're gonna do in this truck. It's not gonna be anything with the fuel tank and stuff anymore, I don't think, at least. Boom. Yeah. Ooh, you smell that tire? I'm impressed.
I am impressed.
No key either.
No key, that's good.
Yeah. Keyless go, baby.
Keyless
go.
Keyless
1994 Ford Ranger. So the engine is in one piece. It's gotten through all the experiments we've done so far. So what are we gonna do next? And my thought is to possibly buy a NOS kit for this thing. Put like a 100 shot in there to see what happens.
Put some respect on it.
If it takes that, I don't know what to do. I'll probably sell this thing for $100,000. It's an unbreakable car.
Definitely.
Unbreakable. I mean, like, it can't put a value on something like that.
But it'd have to sell in West Virginia because in PA we have inspection.